Gray skies and cold days are great for salmon, but it can get a little gloomy for the rest of us. So this year, a group of talented artists from the Issaquah Arts Organization took it upon themselves to add some color and made the city a bit more cozy by creating a series of knitted art pieces around Issaquah. The knitted art installations were placed on sculptures and landmarks all across the downtown area. These installations were designed to add warmth, not just to the sculptures, but to the entire community. Each piece was meticulously planned and crafted by members of Issaquah Arts, with designs that reflect the personality of each sculpture. McNugget, the rooster sculpture off Front Street, has a sweater that features a playful corn pattern, and even his legs are wrapped in cozy leg warmers. A sculpture of a former city clerk got her own set of leg warmers. Even the eagle outside City Hall got a stylish winter hat. And perhaps the most impressive of all is Gilda, the iconic salmon sculpture at the Issaquah Salmon Hatchery. Her sweater, the largest of the collection, features red dots symbolizing salmon eggs, a tribute to the life cycle of the fish that are central to Issaquah's history. Issaquah Arts wanted to do something that would highlight the public art that already exists in Issaquah, while also bringing an element of surprise and delight to people's daily routines. These installations are meant to break up the monotony of the season, make people smile, and encourage residents and visitors alike to take a fresh look at the art around them. Public art has the power to transform spaces, and in this case, it has transformed a cold, gray winter into a season of creativity and warmth. Whether you're a longtime resident or just passing through, these cozy creations are a reminder that art is everywhere. Sometimes all it takes is a little extra color to help us see it.